Yo everybody, I realized that we haven't done an unboxing video for the Lost Tomb of the Bitchin Chimera by Andrew Irvin. And we just fulfilled all these orders, and now it's really time to show everybody what's inside this thing in video form. Of course there's been photos out and stuff on the Kickstarter, but you know, this is a big chunky box. We wanted it to resemble the old school, like red and blue D&D boxes, and I think we did a pretty good job. Here's a, let's see, cool image of the back. Put this up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, we only made 450 of these, so they're pretty darn rare. Almost as rare as Sickest Wizard. I made 400 of those, and I've seen them go for $100 on eBay when they only retailed for really like 14 bucks. So these retail at 100. You know, it's not cheap, but you get a ton of stuff. Probably the most, I don't want to say the most desirable, but some of the most unique dice you'll find are the marbled Dead Milkmen dice, the 25 millimeter. Super fun to roll. And the side of the 6 has the you know, classic Dead Milkman cow. The regular dice were all black, but the box set has the special marbled versions. Just kind of a nice bonus. So those are super rare. And then you get a rad Dead Milkman dice bag with the glow stones, which are part of the campaign, an optional part that you can use glow-in-the-dark dice. That's super cool. And then the red cover of the, let's move this up a little bit, red cover of the book, which is one of 500. I think originally we were going to make 500 box sets, but we shaved it down to 450. So you get the uber rare version of the main book. I did all the illustrations in the book, except for the maps. Our friend Nick did the maps. But yeah, this we're really proud of this book, man. I definitely feel it's the best thing, highest quality book we've ever done with illustrations, and I don't know, it's just rad. So that's the main book. You also get the supplement, which is dope too. Tome of the Pale Cow, also by Andrew, with illustrations by me. And you can roll in some crazy new NPCs. And a lot of these are, almost all these are backers who paid a little bit extra to be in the rad supplement. Super fun. Super gross. So hopefully a lot of you all are seeing this for the very first time. And it took a long time to draw these guys, and it took Andrew a long time to get the stats and descriptions just the way people wanted them. GM screen, boom! Really cool hand screen printed, nice and thick. Not super thick, but you know, it definitely does the job. Limited edition. And then these maps are awesome. They're huge. So they're in the book, but it's also nice to have these limited edition maps. Bam. There's the Lost Tomb and the Burrow of the Owlbear. Totally killer. Yeah. So you get all that in the box set. And again, we only made 450, so you know how collectibles work. Rare stuff. If it's cool, people want it. Blah blah blah. But gosh, I would want one of these because they're dope. So Lost Tomb of the Bitchin Chimera, really awesome. Available. I have a handful of these available. The band will have them. Andrew will have them. So hit us up respectively, and we will try to hook you up while they're available. Severed Books. Awesome. Thank you all.